5 tips to organize your tasks in Microsoft To Do. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 smart tips to organize your tasks using Microsoft To Do. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, create separate lists for different areas of your life, like work, personal, and shopping. This helps you stay focused and keeps everything neat and categorized. Use the My Day feature to handpick tasks you want to complete today. It gives you a fresh start each day without overwhelming you with everything at once. Add due dates and reminders to your tasks to stay on track and never miss a deadline. Microsoft To Do will notify you when something's coming up. Make your tasks more actionable by breaking them into smaller steps using the Add Step option. It makes even the biggest tasks feel more manageable. And don't forget to use priority tags to highlight what's most important. You can even sort tasks by priority to tackle the big ones first. With these tips, you'll keep your day organized and your productivity on point using Microsoft To Do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.